Hey, hello. How's everybody doing? Hope you got through with your Ever5 module good. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I know there'll be some bumps in the road, but make sure you're getting those in on time and taking the quiz as best as you can. Remember, if you still need to register, I reposted the registration and yesterday's stuff, so make sure you go back and you do that as well. Moving on here, we have a different assignment today, so you guys got to stay up on your stuff, like I said. Chapter 3, Section 2, Gathering Information. We talked a little bit about what we need to do in order to purchase different things. We're going to talk a little bit about the buying principle um, as well today. So, as a wise consumer, there's certain steps that we need to take that we should be educated on before buying something. And the first principle is this: how much information should you obtain? So, how much time should you spend? And this is the buying principle is to go as follows, and it's only obtain as much information as is worthwhile. The time and effort you spend gathering information should not be greater than the value received for making the best choice of the product. So let me say that again. Only obtain as much information as is worthwhile, meaning if you're going to buy a pack of gum, like I said yesterday, you probably don't want to spend your whole life uh, thinking about how you're going to spend that pack of gum. Now, if you're going to buy a home or it's going to be the biggest purchase of your life, yeah, you should spend a large portion of your life thinking about what you want, how you want it, talking to certain people, researching different people, getting different opinions on this home, seeing if it's got a good foundation. When was the roof put on last? Is the septic good? We're getting all the tests that are going to be required, and we're going to take our time in doing this. Okay, so that's one big thing. Developing a consumer knowledge base. This is the next step. Okay, information you gather for your product could someday help you choose a car or a house. Look up the information on your product on the internet. Read reviews. Okay, visit numerous sites that offer the product for sale. Compare prices, warranties, and other information. If you're buying a house, compare different houses that are similar. Look at all of your different options. Okay, so this is what I was talking about yesterday. Okay, if I was, I kind of showed you the example yesterday of what you were going to do today. I actually didn't know that I was going to do this today. Okay, so uh, just kind of getting into this, I'm going to unlock these 2 days simultaneously. That way, you guys will be able to do both at your leisure. Okay, to try to get them done before Thanksgiving. Using advertising wisely. So these are the three things I talked about yesterday. Number one, competitive. Number two, informative. And number three, bait and switch. Competitive advertising attempts to persuade consumers that a product is different from a superior or any other one. So usually you see this with toilet paper or paper towels. They pour different things, they hand them. Okay. You see McDonald's and Burger King constantly competing with each other. Informative advertising will give you information on the product. And then the bait and switch is what I talked about yesterday. You go to a car dealership because you see a really good deal in the newspaper. Car dealership knows that you're not going to qualify for that low of a payment. Therefore, they get you on the lot and then switch you to a different car. This happens all the time. Those are the three. Make sure you know those for your exam. The next principle, okay, comparison shopping. Getting information on types and prices of products available from different stores. Sometimes stores will take competing prices and lower the prices as values. Like I said, make telephone calls, call in so you don't waste time by going to the store. Visit different stores, different websites, see if the same product's offered lower somewhere. These are all techniques that you guys can use to get the best deal. Find out also which stores offer the best warranties. Many people don't think about warranties when they're buying cars, when they're buying expensive products like tractors and different things, snow blowers. I'm just thinking that mine because um, I've bought all these different things and the warranties. A lot of people won't buy them. Well, I always try to spend a little extra money on getting the warranties. I actually got gap insurance on my car because I had to trade in one car and get another, so I had to buy that gap insurance just to protect myself. So make sure that you're getting all the different things to protect yourself. You never know what could happen in the future. To pay a couple bucks more a month is not going to hurt you if your product is ruined and you can't get what you want out of it. And then we talked about yesterday brand name and generic brands products, okay, and how to use those in your consumerism project, okay, coming up here. And then finally start shopping your consumer report project. You need 10 facts about each of these products, 3 reviews online about the product, 2 positive, 1 negative. What type of advertising was used and explain, comparison, shopping, and decide what to buy and why. Okay, and these different things. And this is just a real short PowerPoint that's going to kind of tell you how to do these things. Make sure you're doing them. I'm going to post these days simultaneously on the same day so you can kind of work if you're at home for 2 days and get these done before Thanksgiving. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I can help you out. Great job. I'm very proud of everybody. Make sure you're turning everything on time. Okay, have a good day.